So first things first, when you come over here, you have multiple, this is like the home screen, the main, how it opens up. If you're directly opening a drawing, you'll directly open the drawing, but in this case, for example, this is how the home page will be, and here you will have recent accessed files and then different options. For us, we'll just start a new file, and as you can see, it is that simple to just start a new file. We'll go to home. So to start with, these are called ribbons. So this is a ribbon, and there's different ribbons: home, insert, annotate, parametric, and to put in parameters, different views, manage, output, add ins, collaborate, express tools to expedite your work in certain areas, and then featured apps, applications that you can utilize to make things in AutoCAD more easier, more faster, or sometimes just help you things do differently. So we'll start at home and we'll go through most of it that will be utilized on a daily basis. At the bottom, you'll see there is different layouts, layout 1, layout 2, to create your final layout. For printing, you can add more, and also you have over here different snapping tools, for example, for perpendicular snap, and also toggling. You can toggle all of them, for example, object snap, and then you have your display grid, how you want them to be snapping on the display grid. So here it will snap on the display grid if I'm using it. So these are different options that will help you work along. And even for the ribbon, for example, you have different options for the ribbon, how you can use it, but I prefer like this because everything is clearly visible. There are other options for the ribbon, like a small view, no ribbon at all, and complete ribbon with all the details. Hope this gives you a bit of idea of the software itself. Over here you have some quick buttons also to open, save, and print, and then we'll go further. We'll start drawing things and we'll see how we can manipulate any drawing in AutoCAD.